You wake up in the morning, the alarm is ringing, but getting up feels like the hardest thing in the world. There is a heaviness in your body that you cannot define, a bloated belly, a foggy mind, and energy that is depleted before the day even starts. Most of us think this is just getting old or stress. But what if I told you that your body just needs a reset button? Go to your kitchen. Look for that small jar at the back of the spice cabinet, the one you've probably forgotten for years. Inside, there are those small, hard, fragrant buds that look like nails. There they are, nature's most underrated miracle, cloves. Today, we will talk about the incredible chain reaction that eating just 2 cloves will create in your body, starting from 24 hours up to 30 days. And no, this is not just about bad breath. We're embarking on a journey that will change everything from your liver to your blood sugar. First, let's talk about that initial moment when you throw this little nail into your mouth and chew it. The taste is harsh, bitter, and a bit burning. Most people give up here, but don't give up, because that numbness on your tongue, that is proof that the substance called Eugenol is kicking in, a natural anesthesia. So what happens down there when you swallow it? Your stomach is like a battlefield, acids, bacteria. If you frequently experience bloating, gas, or indigestion, your stomach is crying for help. The moment the clove lands in the stomach, it thickens the mucus lining, starting to protect your stomach from its own acid. You know that need to unbutton your pants after a meal? With regular use of cloves, you say goodbye to that feeling. It even reduces the risk of ulcers. Now let's go a little deeper, to the organ we cannot see but keeps us alive, the liver. Your liver is your body's garbage disposal. Processed foods you eat, medications, sugar, they all accumulate there. Over time, the liver gets tired and starts to become fatty. This is where the clove steps in. Studies show that the eugenol in cloves improves liver functions and reduces oxidative stress. So, you're giving your liver the vacation it has been waiting for years. But wait, it's not over yet. Diabetics or those with insulin resistance, listen carefully here. There is another compound in cloves called nigrosin. Do you know what this substance does? It acts like insulin. Yes, it helps your cells absorb sugar from the blood. Those sudden spikes and crashes in your blood sugar are balanced out. What does this mean? It means the end of sudden sweet cravings. Let's talk a bit about bones. As we age, our bones silently melt away. The risk of osteoporosis increases. Cloves are incredibly rich in manganese. Just 1 teaspoon of cloves meets more than half of your daily manganese needs. What is manganese? It is the cement of the bones. If you want to protect your bone density, this little friend is your greatest ally. Whisper. And of course, the immune system. Think of the white blood cells in your body. They are your soldiers. Cloves increase the number and strength of these soldiers. While everyone else is lying in bed sick during seasonal changes, you remain standing, because cloves create a natural shield against bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Okay, you heard all these benefits, but you're asking, how should I use it? This is very important because too much can be harmful. Attention! Clove oil is very strong. Do not drink it directly. The safest and most effective method is this. Take 1 or 2 cloves into your mouth before going to bed at night. Chew gently, let the juice and aroma spread in your mouth, then swallow with warm water. Why at night? Because while you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, and cloves accelerate this process. A small warning, if you are using blood-thinning medication or are about to undergo surgery, definitely consult your doctor before consuming cloves, because it has a blood-thinning effect. As with everything, balance is the key here. Now, let's go back to the beginning of the video. Do you remember waking up tired? Imagine consuming 2 cloves every night for a week. When you wake up in the morning, there is no bad breath. Your stomach is light as a feather. Your mind is clear. Your energy is up. When you look in the mirror, you will see that your skin is glowing because the toxins have been flushed out. Are you ready to meet a better version of yourself? What are you waiting for to try this cheap, simple, but incredibly effective method? Start this evening. If you found this video useful, share it with your loved ones so they can heal too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell for more natural health secrets, scientific tips, and life-changing hacks. Stay healthy Stay natural.